Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille in Sandpoint, Idaho, and I have 12 of my favorite cook stoves right here, and I am going to light up the MBS Olympia. We've been outside on the lake here. This is day 4 of shooting, and I've been burning all of these 12 cook stoves that I have. I know you can only see a couple in this frame, but I currently have 12 cook stoves lined up along the lake to be able to shoot some really beautiful, epic videos for you guys. So if you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to just give me a quick like on the video. It helps me out so much. And if you know anybody else who would think that this is cool, please share it with them. So we're lighting up the stove. We have like very, very short flue stacks because we're outside and because we have like 12 stoves. So overall, lighting up a cold stove with very minimal height on our flue stack, we're doing really pretty good for smoke output. So that's really nice. We've had a lot of neighbors come by and check out the stoves, which has been really cool. Everybody has been super friendly and great and loving to see our cook stoves here. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this as much as I am, because I'm having so much fun. Cool, so just like that, we have the Olympia fired up and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this fire up video today. If you guys like my videos, don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel there. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.